Hi there, students. I'm excited to show you the project I have for you. I want you to make a one-paged poster with 4 different breeds of your favorite animal on it, okay? So I want you to choose a favorite animal and put 4 different breeds of animals on there and label them as I've labeled it on this right here. See that? I will show you in this video how to upload pictures onto the Word document so that you can make your poster. You can be more creative than me. This is just an example. I also want to show you how to change your font on your words. So what you do is you take your cursor and you drag it, hold down and you drag it across, and then you can go up here on the left and you can look at different fonts. So as I go down, you can see that they change. I really like the Arial Rounded MT Bold, so I'm going to stick with that one. Okay. All right. I want you to make sure to label the correct full name of your dog or animal, whatever you choose on here. Real quickly, I'm going to show you how to upload your picture. So you can go to Chrome or any internet browser and search your favorite dog. I already pre-searched this. I love Great Pyrenees. I have one at my family's farm. They're super, super fun. And I love puppies, but for now I'm just going to use this big picture here. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to show you an important step, so pay attention. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go down to copy image, okay? Click on that and I promise it did something. Go back over to Word, make sure you're on the page, and hit Control V. Look at that, it put the picture right on there for me. So now I'm going to click on the picture and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, so I'm going to use my little thing here to make it smaller till it goes up next to my Corgi. Alright, now look at that. It fits right in. Now, I need to make sure to label this. There we go. So that's roughly what I want you to do. You can change the fonts to any crazy font you like. Play around with it. Remember, it's only supposed to be one page. So, thank you for watching the video on how to make a poster the correct way, and I can't wait to see what you all come up with.